Hello to crypto traders, crypto investors. How are you all keeping? It's been a while since my last video, mainly because I'm on the holiday or even working holiday here in back home in Slovenia. I don't have any of my fancy microphones here, so you'll have to bear with me. And yes, I'm gonna start this video with a lunar eclipse. And what does lunar eclipse have to do with Bitcoin? Well, not much or anything at all, but the thing is, I didn't even plan this video today, but there is a setup, a trading setup, that is so freaking rare in Bitcoin on this, like on any any asset that you want to look at. It is so freaking rare and it's really highly profitable. But yeah, don't get hyped too fast because this is just a random dude on the internet talking about Bitcoin and lunar eclipse. So this is not a financial advice. I'm just gonna tell you my favorite setup and how it all aligned today. And this setup is quite common if you look at it on is like on short time frames, like 1 minute, 10 minute, stuff like that. But the higher that you go, the less trades, less setups that you have. So when you come to a daily chart, you almost, like, it's really hard to get a setup like this. So enough of that. Let's go to the charts. So this is the chart. It's actually two charts, and I'll go through that. So the main chart here on the right is Bitfinex 1 day daily chart, right? And okay, this already looks confusing, so let's take out all of this. So for this trading setup, it's called the rubber band. I think it's quite popular, and I'm sure there are plenty of variations out there on how to do this trade and all that. But there's one thing that's for sure, and that is that when it does occur, it's really profitable. All right, so first condition is 50 moving average is angling up, indicating that we are still in the uptrend. All right, the price is under 15 moving average. So the thing is that price, sooner or later, the price comes back to 50 moving average. It always does. It always will. Here, like it always, at some point it always comes back to 50 moving average. But of course, if you want to buy and you say, okay, I'm here, we'll come to the 50 moving average, it doesn't make much sense because, like, it's lower. So, there's not much to profit. Like, if we just come straight to the 50 moving average, you're in minus. So there are occasions when you're under 50 moving average and okay, at one point I'm gonna come to the 50 moving average, so I'm probably gonna be in and positive, yeah? Let's make this bigger. So like here, I know I'm gonna come to a 50 moving average at some point, but of course there's a trick, because you can come to the 50 moving average and still be, let's look at this situation here. We are under 50 moving average, and yeah, we sure did come back to 50 moving average here. Let's draw this here. So let's say that you look at the spot like here, or anywhere in this zone. So yeah, I can write a zone there, would be even better. So you can say, okay, we are under 50 moving average, all the way here. So I know at some point I'm gonna come back. So yeah, okay, here you would be in a zero-sum game because you would come back, but you would make money. If you entered here, you would come back and you would make money. And here you would enter and you would come back to 50 moving average, but it would be lower. So of course there is one trick that you need to look at, and it happens, but it's really rare, that you are under 50 moving average, but the 50 moving average is angling up. And when you have both of those conditions met, Now this is like what I like to see. Like this is the, I mean, I did some back testing. I could actually show you guys. Back testing is not back. This is another strategy. So yeah, there are a lot of numbers. Okay, back testing. This was on 1 minute chart, so that's not that interesting. Reversal, back testing, rubber band. Okay, here I was back testing this strategy for 9 minutes to 27 minutes, and I got 90% in what was in 25 trades. 90% of them were profitable. So that is just to show you how much. I think that's the best one. I mean, I have another one, I think, on 1 minute. No, but it's not just that. Okay. Anyhow, so 90% profitable with 25 trades sample. But the thing is, yeah, this is history. It doesn't mean that it's gonna repeat itself. But yeah, it's highly, highly profitable. Highly likely that this will happen. So but there are also other things that need to align, and this is why this is so rare. And the thing that needs to align is we need to have MACD angling up, which we do. And even more important is that we have this is a 3-day chart on the left, and momentum on the bigger time frame is up as well. Right here. So this is just the sweetest spot you could ever enter. And the trigger is like this. You need to look at both charts and look, okay, since when all the conditions are met, and all the conditions are met here, because here you can see this started bouncing up, so here you can enter. But this needs to close, so we need to wait till the end of the day that we have this closed, and then we can enter. We cannot enter yet, because yeah, this needs to be closed. All right, so because like in this day, this could go lower, and maybe the momentum goes down, and then you just don't have you don't have the trade confirmed. So the stop loss here, if this does align and it looks really, really optimistic, so this would be a stop loss. Here, enterprise above this candle when it closes. So enterprise, I call it. And then take profit, well, it's a moving take profit. We don't know. It's on 50 moving average, so at the moment it would be here. So we would have 1.6, about 1.6 to 1 risk to reward. Check, 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 check. Take profit. But we just don't know where it's going to be. Maybe it's going to be even higher. But basically on 50 and that's that. And if you're wondering, is there that setup also live on any other pair? It is. It is. It's not on Ethereum, but I just want to show you so that you understand the why not. Because here 50 moving averages, no, the momentum is down. All the other criteria is met. On Bitcoin Cash as well, I just looked at these 4 coins that are on Coinbase. So on Litecoin you have the same setup as well. So Litecoin, Bitcoin, place to be. If at midnight when this closes, all the criteria is still met. Alright, I think that was clear enough. Wish you all the best. Good luck.